and welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make celery juice. Celery juice is one of the greatest healing tonics of all time. It has a multitude of an amazing health benefits that can help improve your health, also help improve your life. Let's talk about the benefits of celery. Celery helps your liver work properly. It will help your bones become stronger. It will lower your cholesterol levels. It will protect your body from cancer. You will have clear and glowing skin. This natural juice is high in a number of vitamins and elements. Celery juice is perfect for dealing with wrinkles as it's packed with vitamin A, B, C, and K. It will also help you lose weight. Celery juice cares about everything. Now let's get started to prepare celery juice. Guys, I have already washed my hands, washed the celery, and I'm cutting it into smaller parts. Guys, just don't forget to make the juice properly to save all the natural benefits. And if you are using a blender, you have to chop it first. Blend on a high speed until it's nice and smooth, and then strain in the juice. I would like to use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers for always tuning in. I love and appreciate you all. If this is your first time of tuning into my channel, please consider subscribing. Turn on my notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Guys, you can see how the juice is pumping out. Guys, our celery juice is now ready. always remember, if you don't take care of your skin inside, it will not be good outside. Drink this juice every single day in the morning with an empty stomach for a week, and then prepare to be amazed. Guys, I do have an end screen at the end of my video. Please check out the video suggested there. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.